Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you change your username on Pinterest. Now for those of you wondering what is an Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images. Now to change your Pinterest username, simply open Pinterest on a device. Make sure that you are logged into your Pinterest account. Now as you can see, this is the home page of Pinterest, where you will see various options like home icon, search, message icon, and your profile icon at the very bottom right. Simply click on a profile icon. This is your profile page where you will see options like find ideas and so on. Now simply click on the three dots which is at the very top right and click on the settings option. Now on the settings you will see the option like public profile, account settings, permission, etc. Simply click on public profile, and under public profile you will be able to see your first name, your surname, your username, and so on. Simply clear your recent username and choose the username which you want to keep on it, and click on done which is at the very top right to change your username. So that's it. That's how you can change your username on Pinterest. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.